Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Civil 3D for Professionals by Sunit Tushar. Today I am going to tell you how to create a surface using level instrument data. So what do you mean by this? Now you know earlier when we created surfaces it was using either uh, total station data or contours, and in the third time we did using embedded data, that is also using total station but presented in a different manner, right? So today in this lesson I am going to tell you. Now you know now you know once you have created the alignment, usually what we do is we set out this on the road, right? We set out this on the road. Okay, so after that we take levels using the leveling instruments. So I'll show you now. Here you can see this is the alignment we did. I'll open it. This is for a rehabilitation project, right? So that can be for a new road project also, but what I am telling today is for the rehabilitation project. But there is no difference between rehabilitation project and new road. Now you know this is our designed alignment. Okay, now what we do is uh, we take the coordinates of this. How can you take coordinates? It's very easy. I'll show you. You can go to general tool space. In toolbox you can go to reports manager, expand it, alignment, expand it. Here incremental stationing report. So you double click it, DCL. You want coordinates in 10-meter intervals. Create report. Here this is the alignment incremental station report. Here you get station, northing, easting and tangential direction. So you give this to the surveyor so he can set out this on the ground, right? So once he sets this on the ground, sets out this on the ground, the next step is he will take the levels using these coordinates. Now I'll show you such a sheet. Here you can see here he has taken the chain edge, then the offset, level and remarks, and he has given a legend also. We can delete the legend. We have to take these levels into our alignment. But the problem is, now you can see here he has not given us x or y coordinates. That means he has not given us northern or eastern coordinates. So this is referred to the chain edge. So there's a different method you can import these values to your drawing. Okay, so let's start how to do this. Now usually what I do is for such an alignment I get a new drawing, new, using our civil survey solution template. Open it. So this is the usual error message, right? Then you can say save as, and you can say level instrument surface, right? Then what I do is I take this alignment, copy, edit, copy, and then go to the level instrument surface, edit, paste to original coordinates. So you can again enter Z, enter E, enter. Now this is our alignment. Okay, this is our alignment. You can select here, then right click, edit alignment labels, import label set. You can say major and minor, 20-meter and 10-meter. Okay, apply. Okay, right? So this is your line, right? Now you check whether your points are uh, switched off. Okay, now what about surface? It's not switched off. Or one thing you can easily do is you select all and control A, select all. you off everything, turn the current, you can't turn off the current layer, keep the current layer on, and then you freeze everything. So this is also not coming, but anyway you can again switch on everything and check if there's anything that you have missed there. No, so you save it, right? Then you cannot import these levels as it is. Okay, so you have to prepare them. Okay, you have to prepare them in the Excel sheet. So and you know, now when it comes to now we'll switch off this alignment. No, right? Now this is the one we have. Now you know, when it comes to this kind of an accurate surface, you know, the leveling is the surface that you are going to create using the leveling instrument one is the most accurate one that you are going to create so far. So when you are going to create the surface, you will have to have the what? You will have to have the brake lines, tires, and the center line. But unfortunate thing is, usually the surveyor usually does not take the existing center line, so we cannot create that as a brake line, but at least two tires we will have to create. Okay, the problem is, you now once you import the import the points. Now in the earlier one, of course the survey has drawn the tires for you. In this case you will have to do it yourself. If it is 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, it's okay. Just think that you are going to create something like 50 kilometer or 20 kilometer. So starting from one point to another, you will have to draw the line. So that is very difficult. So there is a simple method we use. I'll show you. Okay, that is using Excel and Civil 3D. So we'll go back to Civil Excel. You remove these unnecessary columns. And one thing you can do is, now you know this is chain edge offset level remarks. Remove that also. And go down and see whether he has put his signature or something. Okay, if you don't remove that, that will be a problem, right? Then you can sort and filter this description line. Select it, sort and filter, sort A to Z, expand the selection, sort. Now you know, when you go down, these are your tires. Okay, these are your tires, you know. So you cut everything, cut all the tires, and go to another sheet and paste it, right? So you can give a simple equation. Now this is the offset, you know, if it is lesser than 0 it should be L, if it is greater than 0 it should be R, that is left and right. We have to change them. I mean, we have to take, we have to separate them, L separately, R separate. So you can type a small equation, if right, if this is lesser than 0 it's L, else it's R. Okay, here. So you can drag it down, right? Now you know what are the L, what are the left and what are the right. So one easy thing we do is, you write another equation, this one, L N T. Now look what happens, it becomes LTE, left side tire. Now if I drag it down, look, left side TE, R side TE, left side TE, R side TE. So you copy it and go to a description column. Okay, and then when you paste it, paste as num values. Otherwise the equation will be pasted and it will be a problem. So you delete these columns and you have to type a small equation. Okay, look carefully. You will have to type this equation. So uh, the before that, this is plus. No, you can't have plus marks because it should be text. So you can use in find and select. Find what plus marks and replace all. Okay, so it's only numerals. Okay, so here you can type this one. You have to no before that we'll separate this, right? You select this, go to sort and filter, sort A to Z, expand the selection, sort. Now these are your left side things, left side tiles, and thereafter you are getting right side tiles. Okay, now we'll write this equation. This is to put that into a format that Civil 3D can import. Okay, so please check carefully here. Chain H and apostrophe comma apostrophe, and this is the offset, right? And apostrophe comma apostrophe, and this is the elevation, right? And apostrophe comma apostrophe, and this is the description. Okay, 0 minus 3.7. Here they are separated by commas. Okay, so you drag it down, then you can copy it and go to your folder, create a text document, TE, open it and save, paste, file, save, then proceed. Okay, come back to your Civil 3D, and then using these point creation tools, here you have to take from third tool bit, import from file. So you go to your relevant folder, study civil 3D offset method. This is my folder, right? You can have whatever you want. Select TE, open. So it says enter file format. You enter 5 and enter a delimiter to enter an invalid indicator for elevation, give 1000. These never change, right? Always these are the values that you have to enter. And enter an invalid indicator for station offset 100. Select alignment. You select this alignment. Now you can see your all the tires are imported, right? Now check. This is your point number 1 2 3 4, so it goes up to 85. Then again it starts from 86 87, right? Now a line drawing a line connecting all these things is very easy. So you go to here, this is a line, create line by point number range. Okay, enter point number 1 to 85, and sorry 1 to 1 dash 85. Once you press enter, you will see the line will be drawn automatically. Now I'm going to press enter, right? Can you see? Press escape, right? Then again you have to do this is starting from 86 to 172. Remember the numbers, right? Then this is 172, right? Here using create line, sorry, create line by point number range 86 to 172. Press enter. Now the line will be drawn automatically. Okay, press escape. Now your tires are automatically drawn, right? You select one. Now we have to make them polyline. Select one, right click, select similar, right? Everything is selected. right click, isolate objects, isolate selected objects. Now you can flatten it, flatten, select objects, press enter, remove hidden lines, no, enter. Then PED, PE, enter, polyline or multiple, multiple, M, select objects, you select all the objects. Convert lines, arcs and splines to polylines, yes, Y, enter, enter an option, J, join, first distance is 0, enter. Now these two are polylines. Okay, so you can easily make them break lines. Then you right click, isolate objects, end object isolation. So this is your alignment and these are your tires. So you go back to Excel sheet and then go to sheet 1. Now here this void is where we cut our tires. Okay, so you have to remove it. Okay, you can select these empty rows and delete them. Right click, delete, right? So once you come up, you have to have here this again, it's plus mark, you have to remove it, find and select, find plus, find all, replace all. Okay, then you come to sheet 2 and here this equation you don't want to write again. Okay, you copy it. Now remember it is F1, right? Copy it, come to sheet 1 and here F1, here it is separated by commas, 870, 0, 19 point something and 870. Now you see here you don't want to sort and filter anything, because whatever the point numbers they are getting for each and every point is not relevant to us. Okay, earlier we put that into one sequence because we wanted to draw lines. Now here there is no such requirement, so you drag it here down. Okay, right, then you copy it, create another text document, new, say all, open it, paste, file, save, close it, and then you come back. So you have to repeat points, point creation tools, import from file, here all, open, and then press 5, enter, enter delimiter 2, enter an invalid indicator 1000, enter an invalid indicator for station offset 100, select alignment. So this is the align selected, so maybe it will take little time. Okay, now all the points are selected, sorry, imported. Save the drawing. Now to create the surface, general tool space, here it should be prospector. Go to your surfaces, there is some default one, you delete it, right click, delete. Okay, and then you right click again, create surface, say surface EG. Okay, style contours design 1 meter, so you can select whatever you want. Okay, so I'll put some small one, existing point one triangles. Okay, okay, and then you go to EG definition and point groups. Add, earlier we had some top, sorry, not point files, point groups. Add, earlier we had something called topo. Now we didn't create anything, you select all points, apply. Okay, now this is your surface. Okay, so if you want to correct them, one thing you can do is you select this surface properties and go to no display. Okay, apply. Okay, and select this one 0. All right, then you go to break lines, add te, type is proximity, t means tie edges. Okay, select objects, you select these two tie edges. Okay, press enter. Now you can go to EG, right click surface properties, surface style is say whatever you want you can have, right? Now this is your surface. This surface is very accurate because they have used the leveling instrument. They have used the leveling instrument to create this surface. Now of course if you want, you can export that into land XML. Export land XML. Okay. So select 3D offset method, level, instruct surface, XML, save. Right. So close the drawing. Right. Now if you open this XML, again you can see it has been interpreted in text. Okay. Okay, then thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for uh, videos like this. Thank you very much.